Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you this really useful and essential technique that every knitter should know, K2 tog or knit two together. So knit two together is a way to decrease your knitting by combining two stitches into one. It is a right slanting decrease, as you can see here. I've made one knit two together all the way up the left side of my knitting on every right side row. So if you're wanting to do a left leaning decrease, you can also do that. And that is called an SSK or a slip slip knit. But today we are going to focus on the knit two together. So I'll show you how to do that. So we're just knitting along like normal, and then if your pattern calls for a K2 tog, let's say right here, I'm supposed to do that, I will take these two stitches and decrease them into one. Okay, I'm gonna get nice and close. So it's almost just like knitting normally, but with two stitches. So you go underneath this second stitch and all the way up into that first stitch. So let me see if I can show you from a different angle. So you go underneath, so you can grab that one separately and then go under that first one, if that makes it easy for you. And then just knit those both together and then continue on as normal. I'll do it one more time for you. And on this swatch, to make everything nice and even, I've been knitting the two stitches together that are right before the final two stitches. So I wait until there's 4 stitches on my left-hand needle, and then I go underneath this second one and up into the first. It's gonna feel a little tight, but that's totally okay. And there you go, knit two together.